Welcome back. Today I'm going to try to sort out my van key. It's for Peugeot Boxer, same as Fiat Ducato and Citroen Relay, and I believe some Ford keys are like this as well. What is happening is this hinge part here has broken, and you can see there's a big play on the blade and it does not stay folded. So I have ordered online replacement key fob. Right, so there is an old key and a new key ordered from well-known online auction site. This is a little locking lug that goes in there and locks the battery in. So we're going to put that key aside, concentrate on the old key. I'm going to remove this key ring, because you got side with the buttons and the other side that's got no buttons. That side needs to be raised up. I'll use a screwdriver, flat bladed screwdriver. Clicks open, and then it should slide out. There you go, slides out that way. So that's the cover. On that side that we just uncovered, there's a little Phillips screw. You undo that. Then it should slide apart. Literally. There you go. Right, this is the broken bit from the hinge. That's our key blade. You can see that bit there used to belong to this part, and that's where it broke. So this is electronic part of the fob. I'm going to put that aside. And here is pretty much it. Let's see if I can take that out. Yeah. So that's part of it. So we're going to compare it to the new one. Also, I'll take the battery. Should I really take the battery out first? Just hinges out. So that's the battery, we're going to reuse it. So again, on the opposite side of the buttons, I'm going to praise it open. This one comes apart easier. Then we have little Phillips screw. Comes apart. Right, that's a bezel. Needs a bit of persuasion. got little locking lugs all the way around. One, two, be careful. Everyone says that all the time, be careful. There you go. That feels it's coming apart. Right. So, battery cradle. The bit that broke on the old one, it's this little part here of the hinge. So I might be able to just swap around entire so I'm gonna push the button from underneath and turn the hinge aside. As you could see, this part spun around. So you're gonna put an old one onto there and hopefully will work. Now what we need to do is spin it around once. Right, like that. Now that's the side with the buttons. That's where we're gonna put electronic part on. Right, that's happening there. So if I just release this blade to come out forward, might be a bit easier, then I can put the lid. Oops, just lost this bit. If I just put the lid back on, this bit fiddly. There you go, it's all clipped in. So that works. Now need to put a screw back in. Bezel around the buttons and the back cover. Again, we slide it over the keyhole and then clip it in. And there's a battery cradle. It's marked up, plus goes in the top, minus on underneath, so that's the plus side, positive side of the battery. Just like that. There's a little hinge inside, push it in. And here, separate bag, we got a little locking lug. It's not a screw like in the old one, it's actually a little lug. It's only like a quarter turn. and blade comes in and out. And we got these 3 buttons. So we're going to try now to have a look against the van. Does it all work? If it doesn't, we probably didn't assemble something correct. So let's have a look. Alright, so that's our new fob against the van. Let's try to lock it. Yeah. Rear. It works. So there you go, it works. It's been tested. As you could see, assembly procedure is a bit fiddly. Now sometime if you buy these non-genuine key fobs, sometime the hinge part does not correspond to each other. So what you have to do then is, where the blade inserts inside of the hinge, there's a little split pin. It goes all the way through. You have to punch it out by using a small, like a panel pin or nail. You punch that out, you slide the blade away from the hinge, put your old blade back in, and then reinsert the split pin. I hope this video helped, and if you enjoyed it, thumbs up and all the best. Thank you.